Alright, so I'm going to break down the processes for finding the volumes of these prisms over here. So first of all, you have to identify the cross-sectional area, what shape it is, find that area, and then you're going to multiply by the length of the prism. So we have identified, now let's look at B straight away because it is the more complicated example. So 12 millimeters is the length. Alright, so let's identify the cross-sectional shape. The cross-sectional shape looks like this. Alright, so we have 4 millimeters on top and 11 millimeters below, and we know that the height is 3 millimeters. Now, if you refer to the equation for the area of a trapezium, it goes half times A plus B times the height. Now, the A and B are the length of the parallel sides. So A is 4 and B is 11, and of course the height is 3. Alright, so let's go ahead. So we have we'll have A plus B. A in this case is 4, B is 11. We're going to divide by 2. And then we're going to multiply by the height. Okay, so this is the area of the trapezium. So 4 plus 11 is 15. 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. 7.5 times the height. The height in this case is 3. Alright, so let's see. 3 times 7 is 21. 0.5 times 3 is 1.5. So your answer is 21 plus 1.5, that gives you 22.5. Now in this case, your area is millimeter square. Alright, so let's find the volume now. So the volume is equal to the cross-sectional area, which is 22.5 square millimeters multiplied by 12. So volume is equal to 22.5 multiplied by 12 over here, and that gives you your volume in millimeter cube. Alright, so let's find out what that is. Again, if you don't have a calculator, alright, we're just going to do this, alright? So 12 is made up of 10 and 2, and 22.5 is made up of 20, 2 and 0.5. So we have 200, 2 times 20 is 40, 10 times 2 is 20, 2 times 2 is 4, 10 times 0.5 is 5, 2 times 0.5 is 1. Now, so it adds up really easily. 200, so there's 240, 260, 264, 269, 270. 270 millimeter cube. For the other prisms, you have a triangle. So with a triangle, that's half base times height. Repeat the same procedure, you will get the volume for this prism. Same thing for this cube over here. The cross-sectional area is simply a rectangle, so that's length times breadth. Okay, so base times height, so you have 6 over here. There you go.